first I'm going to go ahead and start by cleaning off my face. This is going to help my makeup to look better and everything like that. And this would obviously also clean your face, so I'm going to go ahead and do this with my micellar water. I'm just using the regular Garnier micellar water. I'm going to start by moisturizing my face with my Physicians Formula All Day Night cream. Then I'm going to start using my Physicians Formula Rose All Day Serum, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this all over my face. I'm also going to apply my Physicians Formula Skin Booster Vitamin Shot. Then I'm going to start with my eyebrows. What I will be using today, I'll be using my Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade in dark brown, and then I'll go ahead and start drawing my eyebrows. I'll start with the bottom line, and then I'll start with the top, and then I'll blend it in. Clean up my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Born This Way from Too Faced Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer in the color Natural Beige. Then I'm going to start by priming my face with a Professional Matte Rescue from Benefit Cosmetics Primer. To prime my eyes, I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige, and I'm going to apply this all over my eyelid, and then I'll be setting it with my compact powder from Physicians Formula. Eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Morphe palette, the 352 palette, and I'll be using this orangey color as my translucent color. Then I'm going to go with this really light brown shade, and I'm going to apply it on top of that orangey color that I have put already on my eyes. Then I'm going to go ahead and put this really light brown all over my eyelid, and then I'll go ahead and blend it with the other colors that I have previously put. For foundation, I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in the color 228, which is a soft 10, and I'll go ahead and put this all over my face. Then I'm going to apply my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Creamy Beige. Then I'll be using my Hourglass Belle Translucent Setting Powder, and I'm going to go ahead and use it all over my face. Then I'll be using my Bronze Booster from Physicians Formula in the color medium to dark, and I'll be using this to bronze my face. For highlight, I'm going to use my Becca highlight in the color Opal. Underneath my waterline, I'm going to put this really light brown, since I'm going for like a more natural color. And then with this little brush, I'm going to put like a little highlight, just to give it a little bit of more pop to my eye, and not so simple. Then I'm going to curl my eyelashes, and then after that I'll go ahead and put my Troublemaker mascara from Urban Decay. This is going to help my eyelashes to look long, but then since I will not be wearing fake eyelashes on this look because I want it to be more natural, it's going to give it that natural pop look. And I'm going to use my Wet n Wild matte lipstick in the color Give Me Mocha, and this is the lipstick that I'll be using today. Then I'll be putting my Give Me Brow from Benefit Cosmetic in the shade 5 on my eyebrows. And then to set my makeup, I'm going to use my Urban Decay setting spray, and this would help my makeup to stay where it's supposed to stay. This look will be perfect to go to work or something that you just want to be natural. I hope you guys liked it. Bye!